Hey guys, Jess Star here with Star Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our beautiful new listing. This one is 17 Fawnbrook in Simsbury, Connecticut, a part of West Simsbury in the Tootin Hills Elementary School district. This is a beautiful contemporary style home. It is over 2,200 square feet total. It's got about 400 in the partially finished lower level. It's got a newer boiler and water heater. It has great space, as I bet you can tell. I love the contemporary style homes because they offer so much natural light throughout. The light just pours through this home and it brings in the outdoors, which is so great. It's got 3 fireplaces, 2 wood burning, 1 that's connected to gas. They have gas heat here too, which is pretty rare to find in Simsbury. It's also great because it connects to a ton of different hiking trails and so many other wonderful features here. What I love about this is look at these gleaming hardwood floors. There are 3 bedrooms here. There are 2.5 baths, and look at all the light that pours through. You've got a great living room with the fireplace, spacious dining area, as you can see right here. See all that beautiful landscaping outside. They've got a great remodeled kitchen with granite countertops, newer stainless appliances as well, and updated lighting. It's been freshly painted throughout. It's got a really great open concept between the kitchen with the center island and great vaulted ceilings in this family room back here too. Nice and private deck next to hiking trails, but you're tucked away. You get minutes to Route 44 and shopping, wineries, golfing, you name it. It's right here, and it's just so great. The master also has great closet space and an ensuite master bath. What more could you want? If you want more details, this one's priced to sell. Give us a call, 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.